I'm back, and we're here talking about cooking with Kaya. We're here to talk about the controversy of cooking with Kaya. Let's go ahead and roll the clip that everybody knows about.
Make your man some breakfast before I do. Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking.
All right. Everybody knows about cooking with Kaya, or little bits and pieces about it. I don't know her that much, honestly. I've heard a little bit about her. I don't really have a girlfriend or anything like that because things happened, but you know, that demon over there, you know, if you want to just look a little more closer, like right there. Oh, yeah, that demon right there. Yeah, that's why. But cooking with Kaya, if you're famous or popular or whatever, let me see. So the controversy surrounding this girl, or good or bad, honestly, it depends if you are a guy or a girl. Now, if you are a girl, cooking with Kaya might be your number one op, really. As I've been seeing a lot of videos of girls getting pretty pissed off of guys taking a cooking with Kaya recipe and making it. Let me show you another clip right here.
Cooking with Kaya. What?
You being for her right now?
Bro, she a chef. She's a...
There you go again. Cooking as Kaya has been breaking up relationships as bad as my hair or all the goddamn naps. It's kind of crazy because, you know, the cooking with Kaya situation or controversy or whatever, honestly, I barely know much about this girl. I haven't really looked. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, fucking damn, bitch. Ah, damn it. Fuck. Okay, sorry. But back to cooking with whatever. A lot of drama's been holding from this girl. This girl is smart as fuck because honestly, guys need their female Duke Dennis, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Cooking with Kaya, I don't really know much about her or anything. All I know is she has the couple videos, you know, she's making food and she says, I think in the quote is, if I don't, I'm gonna roll the clip right here. Yeah, where I put it right here. Put it right here, Hollywood. So if I don't say the quote right, is because remember, this is future. That's for the future, not for the present. So shut the hell up. I know who you are. So cooking with Kaya, she says in her quote, cook your man a meal. Something like there, cook your man a meal before I'd steal him or take him. Something like that. Something around the lines of that. So this cooking with Kaya girl, I think she is smart as hell. Because, like I said, guys need their female Duke Dennis. And I totally agree. A lot of guys have girlfriends that don't cook for them. Or wives that don't cook for them. And they might be thinking, oh, shit, the fuck, that girlfriend is cook for the guy. But guess who's pissed the fuck off about cooking with Kaya? It's only girls. Why the fuck would a guy give a hell about cooking with Kaya? I barely knew about this hoe. Sorry, not hoe. But I barely knew anything about this girl until one of my friends said, you know, cooking with Kaya? I'm like, who the fuck is cooking with Kaya? I looked up a video, cooked on the first one. It's that plate, whatever fucking food it is. I don't know. She's not interesting to me. I know she's cooking with, you know, we can do those on cooking with Kaya. But like, that ain't me. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Like, cooking with Kaya she's valid, but she ain't valid to my heart, valid to my mind. I'm gonna say that respectfully. Cooking with Kaya ain't for me. I'll take Prime Ice Spice any day of the week. But that's all I'm just saying. I digress. But cooking with Kaya has been a nice topic. Cooking with Kaya has been changing the game for the better. You know, now that Hot Tua is gone, we now are being replaced with Cooking with Kaya. You know, Cooking with Kaya has been doing some trailblazing here, which I am kind of excited for because I wonder how much he can piss off a lot of girls and make them rally up and, make them rally up and actually, you know, start cooking her man some meals. Hey, I think it's a smart strategy here. Kaya is smart as hell. Tell the girls, cook your man a meal before I take them. And the meals look good as hell. I'm sorry. I looked at whatever the plate is. Like I said, I don't know much about this girl, but when you look at these meals, you go, that shit's pretty goddamn good. I ain't gonna lie. And it's smart. Because not only is she making a lot of girls mad, she's making them feel like, damn, let me put in some extra work. And before any of y'all girls or anybody who's here, right? But girls do. Shh. All I'm saying. Just shh. Don't even think about it. Just don't take one ear out the other. Cooking with Kaya is smart because she's tired of a lot of girls half-assing, lazy, never even making good meals. Now, as a girl, you sit here and you watch this girl cooking with Kaya, you know, do her little dance, make these meals and shit, and damn, your boyfriend is eating this shit up. Like he's eating dinner, like you made him something. So now these girls go, damn, I need to start making food. And you goddamn right. And it honestly works perfectly. Cooking with Kaya controversy is great. Why do you think I'm talking about her? I barely do any of his. Matter of fact, let me look at one clip. I'm about to pause you guys right here, right next. So I just checked out some clips, probably a couple of minutes. So she has 808.1K followers on TikTok using the iPad mini, 2.4 million likes. So she's doing pretty good, honestly. Like I said, I think Cooking with Kaya, you know, honestly, she's smart. The way she, you know what this is called? It's called rage bait. Now, Cooking with Kaya is probably somebody that, sorry, I thought it was a bug. It's probably really smart because she's doing something called rage bait. A lot of girls are pissed the fuck off. In Cooking with Kaya, I recommend you're smart. You had your old video with DDK I seen pop up. Now, if Cooking with Kaya just keeps playing it smart and using her, you know, her food, her little turkathon, whatever bullshit, whatever she does smartly, she might get really up there and might get over, over 1 million followers. And I can see it happening real soon with Cooking. Is that her? If that's her right account, you can put in the comments if or not. But Cooking with Kaya, I honestly think that she might be here to stay. She's smart. I can see her on a lot more streams. I can really see her soon on a Kai Cenat stream. And I think that'd be nice for her. Holy shit, this damn lit. Damn. But I know I digress. Cooking with Kai can really be on a Kai Cenat stream. I can really see her pushing out with other streamers and other people like that and getting herself right up there. She's smart. She knows how to cook. Guys love a girl that can cook. Let's just be honest here. There's a prime example. A lot of girls nowadays tend to not want to cook or don't cook, period. And that's what Cooking with Kaya comes in and starts to piss off a lot of girls, making them mad, upset that their guys are sitting here, you know, meat running the goddamn video, sitting there hitting this one, you know, going, dying to the video, you know, over obsessive with her. And I get why a lot of girls don't like her because she's toward doing all that, making them feel secure they're not making food. But Cooking with Kaya is smart. And that's why I just wanted to talk about it a little bit because I think Cooking with Kaya, this new up-and-coming black creator, is very smart, very talented. I think can make very well promising things. She just has to play smart, player cards right. If you are a girl, if you're looking at this video, I'm gonna tell you a secret. This is the only thing I can tell you. I'm gonna roll the clip. This is all you need to learn. See, that's she said it for you. Start making your man some food before she goes ahead and takes them. Look, I'm sorry, girls. If you're feeling disrespected, that means you're just not cooking food. And here's the deal: if your man pays all the bills and I'm not gonna go any further, please cook this man some food. Please, click on the goddamn Cooking with Bullshit, pull up her video, and make that goddamn food. She shows you the recipe. There's no goddamn excuses here, girls. You need to start look at her. Go, okay, what can I do? Make that food. If your guy obviously likes the videos, it's always because it's the damn food. 90% is the food. So come on now. Every guy will love a girl that can cook. That's all I got to say here. I'm not going to sit here and make it a whole 20-minute goddamn video about cooking with conversation. No. Cooking with Kaya is enough. She barely just kind of started getting popping off towards the end of the year. I do expect her to hit that 1 million threshold, but we'll pretty much see. But like I said, like, comment, and subscribe for more talking conversation videos. And maybe next video, we'll have Cooking with Jordan. Cooking with Jordan. Cooking with Jordan.